Welcome to Swina, your trusted partner in renewable energy solutions. At Swina, we specialize in manufacturing high-quality inverters, MPPT solar controllers, and complete solar power systems. From production to packaging, every product undergoes multiple rigorous tests to ensure it meets our high standards. We meticulously compare data to confirm that each product is of the highest quality. Our commitment is to exceed our esteemed customers' expectations with reliable and efficient power solutions. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional service. Whether it's sunny or rainy, we ensure timely and safe delivery of your products. Choose Swina for unmatched quality, reliability, and service. Visit our website to learn more. Let's drive the future of renewable energy together.